Hey there! Looking to boost your LinkedIn profile? Well, you've come to the right place. Here are some awesome tips and tricks to optimize your LinkedIn presence. First, make sure to have a professional profile picture that aligns with your industry. It's the first thing people see, so you want to make a great first impression. Next, craft a compelling headline that showcases your expertise and grabs attention. Don't forget to customize your URL. This makes it easier for others to find and share your profile. Additionally, prioritize the About section. Use this space to effectively communicate your unique value proposition and highlight your key accomplishments. Be active on the platform. Engage with relevant content, join groups, and share helpful insights. Lastly, don't be timid about asking for recommendations and endorsements. These can serve as social proof and enhance your credibility. So there you have it, some killer LinkedIn optimization tips and tricks. Implement these techniques and watch your professional network grow in no time.